We got 80 seconds to add a noise modifier to a grease pencil object in Blender. So let's go ahead and open up Blender, create a 2D animation. Let's get out of this first object by going to object mode, then hit Shift A to create a new object. I'm going to go down to grease pencil and use the monkey for this example. Now we have the monkey here. Let's go ahead and go down to our modifiers and add a new modifier. And we want deform and noise. And with that, you'll see that it's already creating quite a bit of noise. Now I like to turn this down and simply just using the position, and then it gives you more of like a squiggly effect for like a traditional hand-drawn look. I tend to use this quite a bit when I'm using Grease Pencil, and I really do recommend it. Now, with all of that, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Like these tips here, or on the screen. They're on the screen. Just click on the screen.